So as most of you guys know, I live in not so sunny Northern Ireland, but look at the scenery. Look, this is my back garden, and as you can see, we've got basically 360 views all the way up. You see up in the hills, the mountains, and yeah, this is where I live. So it's such a blessing to be here, especially when the sun does come out. So do all the little insects and all the little midges. And I was just coming down here, and you can see got like flying ants everywhere. And you can see it, you can see everything passing by. So what I wanted to do was to make one of these log burning stoves, and I'd seen a couple of guys make them out of gas bottles. I saw Armoured Cockroach do one, his pot-bellied stove. So I made one, and this is it. So I'll show you what I've done. So this is my not so small pot-bellied stove. And to be honest, you can make it in about an hour. It's not, as long as you've got the tools. Obviously, you know, you need to take the top off, take the valve off. Very important, stick a hose pipe down inside the tank, fill it up with water, and all the gas will come out of it. Then you can start cutting and grinding, and that's it. Cut a hole, stick a bit of plate on top, and stick a couple of doors. One in the bottom, one in the middle, and a hole in the back. Now, I haven't put a flue, I haven't put a chimney on it for the simple reason I want the smoke around. I want to get rid of these midges, these insects. And if I keep the heat, if I keep the smoke down to sort of head height, then I reckon we're going to keep most of the bugs out the way. So freshly painted. I painted her last night, so I came straight home from work and I just wanted to get her fired up. So I'm going to use one of my homemade firelighters. You've probably seen some of the guys make them. Armoured Cockroach again, and Quality Jackson make them. And I thought I'd give it a go with my own, but wow, bigger. So if you want to see how I made these, let me know, and I'll do a little vid on them. But I'm going to stoke her up, get her going. These have got a burn time about 25 minutes. So yeah, I always like to try and go bigger and better and stronger. So yeah, let's get this one on the go, see how she goes. By the way, cheers, Funky. Yeah, brilliant. So we're just going to stick her in there, stick a bit of kindling on top, a few sticks, and get her going. And what does every Englishman want after a hard day at work? Cup of tea. So yeah, we're going to get a brew on and just check her out. So here we go. So that is my potbelly stove. I'm sure the next time you see her, she won't be so white. It was, to be honest, it was the only heat retardant paint that I had. It's for radiators. I'm not sure it will withstand the intense heat of this, but well. I didn't make her to be pretty. I made her to be functional. And really, to keep these flipping midges away. They like the English blood. So. Well, that's it, guys. Like I said, it took me about an hour to make. It's not difficult. Arguably it took me maybe another half an hour to paint her up, but you know. You see she's smoking away. And I think at last I'm going to be able to sit out here and enjoy the scenery, enjoy the view without being attacked by midges. So stick my titanium cup on there. Just going to sit down, keep her going, and yeah, have a cup of tea. Bless you for watching. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.